My name is Maddie Grosklos, and I'm a PhD student in biomedical engineering at Ohio State University. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about muscle. There are over 600 muscles in the human body, and these muscles are made up of many layers, from the entire muscle, like your bicep, to the cells that make up the muscle, also known as muscle fibers. As you can see on the screen, the fibers are bundled into groups, and these groups are what make up the entire muscle. When muscle work to move your bones, they shorten, or also called contracting, and they also lengthen. But not all muscle is built the same. We have two types of muscle fibers, one called fast twitch and one called slow twitch. But what's the purpose of having these two different types? Well, slow twitch muscle fibers contract slowly, and they produce less force, but they do not get tired very quickly. Fast twitch fibers, as you might guess, contract really quick. They produce a lot of force, but they get tired very fast. Fun fact, in birds actually, the fast twitch fibers make up the light meat, while the slow twitch fibers make up the dark meat. So now you can share that little science fact next time you have turkey at Thanksgiving. But in mammals, like us, the two types of fibers are mixed together in a muscle. So we don't have light meat and dark meat. Rather, different muscles have different amounts of each type in the fiber depending on their purpose. As you can see on the screen, muscles with more slow twitch fibers might be better for long distance running. Wow, the fast twitch fibers help you do that quick, powerful movement of a sprint. Slow twitch fibers help us to stay straight or standing, while the fast twitch are used for more rapid movements. This is why we're able to maintain posture for a long period of time, but our muscles get tired when they're lifting boxes or even walking long distances. Athletes, especially athletes with good endurance, have more slow fibers than non-athletes do. This gives them the ability to produce force with their muscles for a long time without getting too tired. So people born with more slow fibers could be called natural born runners. But what about lifting weights? How does lifting cause your muscle to grow? Weight training impacts these muscle fibers that we've been talking about since the beginning. As you might guess, it uses the fast fibers. This is because we're producing a lot of force by lifting things heavily. These fibers are what grow the most when you participate in weight training. However, we don't actually grow more muscles when we lift. The muscles that we already have, muscle fibers that we already have, just get bigger in size. The increase in the area of each fiber causes your overall muscle to get bigger. But it is very important to remember that the number of muscle fibers you have stays the same. The fast fibers, like I said, are the ones that grow most during training, and a smaller number of really hard contractions or a small amount of hard lifts is the most effective at increasing muscle size and strength. So in lifting terms, low reps and high weight scientifically is the best way to bulk up. I hope you had fun learning a little bit more about muscle and how training changes them.